Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to do a quick video just to show you how you can activate your USA website for JuicePlus. After you have joined, you are going to have access to a website, but it not be the full website. So in order for you to access the full website, you need to go in and agree to the terms and conditions. So I'm just going to Okay, so once you have registered and you have received your signing details and you have logged into your virtual office, what you are going to see is a skeleton kind of website. It's not a full website. Let me just call it a partial website or a mini website, right? Now you want to have access to all the features of the virtual office. So what you need to do is once you come in here, you need to scroll down where you see this woman and the baby. Where you see this woman and the baby, then you come down here and click this button here which says agree. Okay, once you agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on sign up. Once you do that, you now be given full access to the virtual office. As you can see, we now have the full access here. All the details here have been populated. And so this is what we want now. Fantastic. So the next thing that you need to do is to personalize your account. So how you do that is to come here where it says personal profile. So click on personal profile and then you come to websites. You click on websites, then you come down to here where it says my personal website address. So you've got these two addresses that have been suggested for you, which is fine. But the only trouble is that they've got these numbers in them and they make the website look ugly. You want to tidy it up so that it looks nice when you share a website with someone. It's something that they can easily remember. So what you do is you just click on any of these. Let's say we click on this and then, oh, sorry. When you click on that, it takes you to your website. So let's go back. We close this, right? So we come down here where it says, if you wish to look at other website address options available to you, please click on the link below. If you'd like to select a different iteration of your name, click here. So we want a different iteration of our name. Instead of the AB82998, we want something that represents us. So we click here and then we wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are now. We have different types of suggestions. It says order a website address, suggested website address. Okay, so here we now have suggested website addresses. So you have got all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 suggestions. So we are going to choose one. And for this purpose, we are going to choose the second one. So we click on it and then we say reserve now. So once we click reserve now, the website has changed. As you can see, now it looks neat. It looks smart. It's now, okay, this is very, very nice now, okay? So HTTP, blah, blah, blah. And it looks very, very nice. So this is presentable. You can share this one with any person. So for you to be able to access your website, you've got two websites here now. One which is a JuicePlus.com website. The other one is a towergarden.com, right? So for you to access, you just have to click on it. So for example, you click on this and it takes you to your wonderful website here where you can now start doing your shopping, right? Do your shopping. In here you've got JuicePlus. You've got the importance of fruits and vegetables, and here you've got information about the product. Here you've got information about the experience. The experience is good. It includes information like magazine, one simple change, health advisory board, and it's very nice. You find here under the magazine some recipes and articles, then clinical research, then the shop, and then the about us. The other feature I'd like to show you from here is to make sure that you know, where you have this globe here represents the world, the globe, rather. So if you click on here, you can change the website to a different country. So here we have United Kingdom, and then we've got all these countries in which JuicePlus operates. So if you click on any of these, the website changes to the language of that particular country and the currency of that particular country. So see, for example, if I choose Poland, you see now what will happen. Everything changes into Polish. Can you see? This is all Polish. Everything has changed into Polish. All right. So if you are based in America, all you have to do is come here and then change this to United States of America, which I believe is here, USA. Okay, and everything is going to change to USA. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Even now I have the Tower Garden, the virtual franchise, because in Europe here we don't have Tower Garden, so we don't get this. Look at this. This is for USA. All right, very nice, very nice, very neat. Okay, very nice. So that's all I just wanted to show you. And yeah, so let's go back. Okay, let's go back. So now that we have, I'm going to close this window. Now that we have our nice websites, we can now share this with our friends. So for example, I'm just going to copy this, and share it with my friend. I can go on my WhatsApp, for example, here, and open one of my friends. So this is my best friend. So I'm going to share with them that website. I paste and send to them. Okay. And then I can also come back here and get, you know, the website for the Tower Garden. I can also share it with my best friend. Okay, so this is for the Tower Garden. Again, I'm gonna share it with my best friend. Okay, so when my best friend receive, they'll just have to click on the link, for example, the Tower Garden, and it should be able to open up. So there you are. Okay, that's a website for the Tower Garden. Looks very, very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so if my friend wants to visit my website, they'll just have to click on the website address that I sent them, just like that. And you see the website opens up. That's very, very nice, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just going to close this one. And yeah, so basically this is all I just wanted to show you, and I hope that everything is all right. If you have any problem, please do get in touch with me. I would like to help you. My name is Christopher Walia from the United Kingdom, and Image and Sparkle team, but hashtag War Team Winning. So it doesn't matter which team you belong to. If you have any problem or any question, just get in touch with me or any of our team members, and we'll be able to help you. Thank you very much. Bye.